All right, just waiting for some of my people on YouTube to come join the live stream here. I am Damien. This is the Meet Damien channel. We're going to be talking about Bitcoin, crypto, Ethereum, some of the altcoins that did pretty well this past weekend. We're going to look at coinmarketcap.com. Let me know if the music is a little bit too loud here, guys. We're going to get right to it. We're going to talk about crypto here. I'm doing a live stream here on YouTube, and I'm also doing a live stream here on TikTok. So I'll try to answer some of your questions here on TikTok, but I'll also try to answer the questions here on YouTube here as well. But yeah, let's get right to it. We're going to talk about crypto here. And we're going to look at coinmarketcap.com first here. All right. So here we are looking at coinmarketcap.com. And what we have here is we have Bitcoin currently trading at $79,902 with a $1.5 trillion market cap, almost the same amount of money in Bitcoin right now as we have in silver. Okay. And I want to show you guys how much the market cap of silver is real quick. Silver is saying that the market cap is at $1.76 trillion. That's how much money is in silver. And Bitcoin has just about the same amount of money right now. You know, Bitcoin is currently $1.5 trillion. So it's like $200 billion away from catching up to silver. That's pretty crazy, huh? But yeah, some of the notable gainers out of the top, 10 cryptocurrencies here is Ethereum is at $3,167. It's up 28% this week. Solana at $207, and that one's up 26.9% this week. BNB is at $624, and that one's up 11.8% for the week. Dogecoin had a really good week. Dogecoin's up 78% this week. It's currently trading at 27 cents right now. Could it get back up to 80 cents like it did back in 2021? We'll have to find out here soon. Or maybe we might see a $1 Dogecoin later on next year. Maybe early next year. Then we have XRP. XRP is at 58 cents. XRP is up 16.4%. Cardano, 58 cents, up 75% this week. So good job, Cardano investors out there, for keeping the faith. You guys are being rewarded handsomely right now. SHBU is up 50% this week. Currently trading at 2,544. I think we've seen it higher today. I think we see it get up to like 2,700. Tron, TRX, up. It's at 16 cents, and it's not really doing that, having a good week. And then you got Toncoin. Toncoin at $5.24, only up 8%. Avalanche, AVAX at $31.60, and that one's up 33.68%. Chainlink, $14.21, up 31%. So a lot of these cryptocurrencies are up like 30% for the week. They're all loving the fact that the Republicans and Donald Trump has gotten elected into power, and it should be more crypto friendly in America. SUI at $3, and that one's up 55% for the week. So yeah. Oh, I'm sorry. I thought I had this show in here, guys. Sorry about that. Here's some of your cryptocurrencies, guys, on CoinMarketCap for my YouTube viewers here. Yeah, like I said, SUI, $3, up 55%. Chainlink, $14, up 31%. Avalanche, AVAX, up 33%. And the list goes on. SHBU at 51%. Cardano, 75% for the week. And we're just all excited here in cryptocurrency world. We're excited to actually make a good amount of money here. Just being involved in cryptocurrencies. If you guys are liking this stream so far, go ahead and click that like button. I appreciate all the likes I get. out there. Show a little bit of love. Let me know if the music is a little bit too loud. I might turn it down a little bit here. But yeah, we're gonna keep it going here. But let's look at top dog Bitcoin here, guys. Top dog Bitcoin at $79,932. We're gonna look at the trading view here real quick. Yep. So I was looking at SHBU earlier, and yeah, let's look at Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is the talk of the town right now. Bitcoin should be in everybody's portfolio. Bitcoin currently trading at $80,300. Jesus Christ. Okay. Bitcoin is the top dog cryptocurrency here. And, just look at the daily chart. We knew that Bitcoin was going to continue to go up to higher prices here, because it was creating a very bullish ascending bull flag here on the daily chart. As you can see, as I zoom in a little bit here on the chart, you can see that Bitcoin is creating an ascending bullish flag, which we then decided to break out today, and we're now at higher prices here at $80,300. And if you look at the RSI, we are currently overheated on Bitcoin. RSI level of like 77.15. Okay, 77.15. That leads me to believe that Bitcoin's overbought. But when there's so much excitement in Bitcoin, Bitcoin can stay overbought for a while here, because if you look back in history with Bitcoin, we had overbought for like a couple of weeks here in February, and then we also had it overbought a couple of weeks in March. Okay, so Bitcoin is capable of continuing being overbought for a while here, and as things get more exciting and more exponential in Bitcoin world, it can stay overbought. Let's look at the weekly chart real quick, see how it's looking on the weekly chart. We can get a sense of how overbought we are, and on the weekly chart, Bitcoin is only at the 67.85 RSI, so Bitcoin is not really considered overbought. Just about. Let me see if I can get some of you guys to look at this chart here. All right, so if I just show you right here, you can see that Bitcoin is currently trading at $80,200, and it's not overbought on the weekly chart here. Okay, for my TikTok viewers out there, I should probably put my YouTube channel in the background so you guys can follow along. You can probably see it on that angle, right? But yeah, Bitcoin has been overbought in weeks prior, where we've seen RSI levels here of like 67, 68. I'm sorry, 70, 78, and 86 back in March. So, that might happen in the next week or two. We might see some overbought levels, and if that's the case, then we might see a $90,000 Bitcoin in the next week or two. Very easily. If Bitcoin stops what it's doing right now and it just goes up another 10% this week, we could see $90,000 Bitcoin later on this week. So that's where all this excitement's coming from in crypto world and Bitcoin world. Yeah. Guys, I'm having a little trouble seeing you guys in the live chat here. I don't know why. I wish I was able to see what's going on in the live chat. I'm not able to see what's going on in the live chat here on YouTube. But we're just going to keep it going here. We're going to move on to showing you guys what's going on with Ethereum here. Okay. Ethereum is also having a good week, good day here. Good times for crypto investors. Ethereum is currently trading at $3,188. And Ethereum is not even considered close to being overbought. On the RSI, that red number right over here, this red number for you guys following along, Ethereum is only at a RSI of 56, 57. So Ethereum might have a lot more room to go here. Ethereum investors are just getting started here. But looking at the weekly candle here for Ethereum, you can see that Ethereum is up 29%, almost 30% this week. So good job to you Ethereum investors out there. It's looking pretty good for you guys. Let's see. So the RSI doesn't look overbought on Ethereum. Let's put on the MAs here, the moving averages. And you can see that on the weekly moving average that Ethereum is getting above the white line here, which is the 21 EMA. So that's good to see. It's also getting above the green line here, which is let's see, it's also getting above the green line here at $2,900. And I mean, Ethereum could be in for some fireworks and explosive action here. Okay. If you're an Ethereum investor, you might have been a little bit disappointed to see the price action in the last few weeks here, especially in September and October. But you're finally getting your day in the sun here as an Ethereum investor. Yeah. So with all that being said, Ethereum could possibly, if the same kind of money goes from Bitcoin to Ethereum, that can give you an idea as like how high Ethereum could go. Let's look at the coinmarketcap.com one more time here. Okay. We're looking at coinmarketcap.com, and we can see that Ethereum is at $3,100 and has a market cap of $384 billion, which is just, you know, it's under Bitcoin's market cap. Bitcoin has $1.5 trillion. So just eyeballing that, Bitcoin has almost 4 times, quadruple the amount of money than Ethereum, which leads me to believe that if the same kind of money that's in Bitcoin goes into Ethereum, we could see Ethereum at like $12,000 Ethereum here in the future. Guys, I'm gonna go turn the music down here real quick here. Okay, I feel like it's a little bit too loud. I don't want that to ruin the stream here. All right. Welcome to my casa. You guys can see a little bit of my my house, my living room here. But yeah, Ethereum looking good. Solana has like a $98 billion market cap. With Solana having $98 billion, Solana is supposed to try to compete against Ethereum. You know, we could see Solana, if it has the same kind of money that's in Ethereum, goes into Solana. You know, Solana, that would be like a 3.8. We'll just call it a 4x for Solana. So the price of Solana could quadruple from where it's at right now. You could see like an $800 Solana sometime here in the future here, guys. How about that? Yeah. Some other popular cryptocurrencies like BNB and Dogecoin. They're also, you know, BNB has $90 billion and Dogecoin has $40 billion. If they're able to catch up to Ethereum, then you could see them basically. You could see BNB quadruple in price. You could see about a $2,400 BNB Binance coin, and you could probably see a 10x for Dogecoin. You could probably see a $2 Dogecoin if the money that's in Ethereum goes into Dogecoin here. Okay. And just looking at Cardano, Cardano has about $20 billion in market cap. If it was to catch up to where Ethereum is and have the same kind of market cap as Ethereum, I have to pull up the calculator here, guys, real quick. I can't really do the math. I want to make sure I give you some accurate numbers here. But if we have $384 billion Ethereum, and that goes into that kind of money goes into Cardano, then you could get basically a 19x or a 20x on Cardano. You might see Cardano get as high as let's see, doing the math here. You can see a Cardano get up to like $11 in the future here, maybe $12 in the future. All right, Freedom Fighter, you think we're close to the top on Bitcoin for the year, and start of 2025 will be down and sideways? That could be possible. You know, we could possibly see Bitcoin trade sideways a little bit. It might even start like later on this month, to be honest with you. But if Bitcoin trades sideways and it doesn't go down, then that is probably going to cause the altcoins to start skyrocketing up in value, because some Bitcoin investors that are out there, they're going to start selling some of their Bitcoin. And if Bitcoin's not really going down, they'll take that money and then they'll put that into the altcoins like Cardano and XRP and Shiba Inu. And then those coins will go up in price. So, if Bitcoin does go sideways, that's not really bad. It might actually go down. Bitcoin might actually go down in price. I'm thinking after April of next year. Usually we have a bad summer for crypto and Bitcoin. As you guys saw in this last summer that we had Bitcoin go down this summer, and it was looking pretty bleak out there for a lot of people. A lot of people got discouraged, and they didn't want to be involved in crypto anymore. And that's actually sad, because it's just a bad summer. Back in 2021, we saw Bitcoin go from like $64,000 in like April and May of 2021, and then we saw it drop down to like $28,000 in like July of 2021, only for it to then shoot up in price and go higher. We saw Bitcoin go up to $69,000 in November of 2021. So we might have the same thing happen next year. To answer your question, we might see Bitcoin actually go down, only for it to go up again about a year from now in November of 2025. Who knows how high Bitcoin can possibly go? If you guys have a price target for Bitcoin, let me know what your price target might be for Bitcoin. We could see a $200,000 Bitcoin next year. That's my price target. My near-term price target for Bitcoin is about $120,000 for Bitcoin. We're like 2/3 of the way there at $80,000 Bitcoin. So I believe $120,000 might happen between now and the next 3 months here. And then maybe we might see a $200,000 Bitcoin. Probably, I would say like November's always been like one of the best months for Bitcoin. So maybe like November or December next year, we might see $200,000 Bitcoin. So there's still room to make some money here on Bitcoin. And I believe at that point, you'll see Ethereum go up to like $12,000, and you'll see like Solana probably at $1,000 a coin. Freedom Fighter saying that rate cuts usually bring the markets down, and we haven't had that yet, and we've been up for 2 years. Yeah, Freedom Fighter. Rate cuts have normally been associated with markets going down, only because of recession is what's causing everything to go down. But we haven't had the recession yet. We might be getting a recession. And if we get a recession, then yeah, that's probably going to cause prices to go down for everything, not just cryptocurrencies, but stock market world will go down. Everything will go down because of a recession. But that's the only thing I think can actually derail the crypto Bitcoin bull market is an actual recession here. We do have unemployment creeping up on us at like 4%. I think it's getting it's like in the low to mid 4% area. If we start seeing unemployment go up to like 5% or 6%, then that means people don't have money to buy Bitcoin. They don't have money to buy stocks. They're just trying to survive out there, and yeah, that could cause Bitcoin to go down in price too. All right. 5, you think we get a recession, but probably recovers by the end of 25. Yeah, I believe so too, Freedom Fighter. I think if we keep losing jobs at the rate we're doing, because the last jobs report we only had like 12,000 jobs for the month of October. We only got 12,000 jobs added throughout the economy, and if that keeps going at that rate, or we go negative and we start losing jobs, then yeah, we're gonna get a recession, and not too many people are gonna be able to buy crypto. We would need some people around the world to start buying crypto if America has a recession. But keep in mind that Bitcoin and crypto is worldwide, so we would need the entire world to basically have a recession for Bitcoin to go down, because it's not just the United States. Even though the United States and America has more money, we still have countries like Europe and Asia that could carry the weight and that could carry us to higher prices here on crypto and Bitcoin. Okay, so keep that in mind, guys. My YouTube live chat is not working right now, so I'm not able to actually see your questions here. So I'm actually responding to my questions here from my TikTok live streamers. So my live streamers on TikTok, if you guys if you have any questions about any particular cryptocurrency, let me know and we can talk about that. But we're gonna start talking about Solana here, because Solana is currently at up 30%, and we're gonna try to see where we might see Solana go here. Solana is currently trading at $212. We're gonna go into a trading view here, and we're gonna see what might be next for Solana here. Okay, we're gonna use some chart work. My TikTok streamers, if you look at my YouTube here, you can probably see what I'm looking at here on the trading view. Okay, but I have to keep it looking like this here for now. Okay, so you guys can see me. All right, but yeah, here we are on trading view. Currently looking at Solana at $212. I have some previous chart work here, and Solana was in this symmetrical triangle for the longest time here, and it looks like it's finally deciding to break out to the upside of this triangle, this symmetrical triangle. And if it continues breaking out of that symmetrical triangle, my short-term price target for Solana is this yellow line here. Okay, we put this breakout right over here, and we can see Solana get up to like $287 in the near-term future. I'm expecting like a $280, $300 Solana. That could happen by the end of by New Year's, by the end of this year, going into January. Okay, so be on the lookout for Solana here. That's my short-term price target for Solana. Then in the long term, for Solana, we're gonna have to basically look at the Fibonacci here. Okay, if I do a Fibonacci extension and I take it down to like where we were at like $19 in September of 2023, and I take it to like where we topped out at in March of 2024, and then I bring it down to, you know, the lows that we made back in August when we got down to $110. It spits out these numbers here, and I'll just show you guys real quick here on my TikTok live stream. Okay. All right, let's see. We have basically this rainbow colored chart here. This is the Fibonacci extension, and you know, we could see Solana get up to the 1.382 level here, where we have a Solana of a $373 Solana that could be in play in the long term. Then there's the 1.618. The 1.618 level has us at $418 for Solana as another long-term price target. Then we have the 2.0 extension level at $491 for Solana. And then, of course, it gets even more ridiculous, but the 4.236 level, this is a Fibonacci extension level, that could get us to a $917 Solana here. And what I like about Solana is that it's not even considered overbought on the RSI here. Okay, this red number here is the RSI, and this is the red line, the RSI. On the weekly chart here, Solana is only at a 65.21 RSI. Okay, so with that being said, we could basically see Solana continue going up to higher prices here and not even be considered overbought until it gets to like the 70 RSI level. And you know, we have been at 70 before, back in like December of 2023. We've seen 77 and 87 on the RSI, and that's when Solana was overbought in previous weeks. And then also here in March of 2024, we've seen, you know, an RSI of like 78 and 76 here. And yeah, that was overbought. That was the top for Solana at that time. But right now we're making the highs of the year at like $213 Solana, and we're not even overbought. We're not even overbought yet. So we still have some more room to go here on Solana here, guys. That's what I'm very excited to see here, is that the indicators, the momentum indicators, they've reset, and they're saying that we are ready to go and take off to go to higher prices here on Solana. Okay. Hopefully you guys are able to see that. Yeah, I think you guys can see that. All right, let me see. Okay. Yeah. So that's my price target for Solana. We could see a $900 Solana sometime later on next year, guys, with the way things are going. And the Fibonacci extension levels are saying that that is a possibility. Okay. But since we just talked about Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana, and we just recently talked about how high Solana could go, there is another cryptocurrency that some are calling the Solana killer. Okay. And that is SUI, for those who might know. Okay. SUI is currently trading at $3.03 right now. SUI is up 10.68% for today, and SUI is up 55% for the week of this second week of November here. And we could do a Fibonacci extension to find out how high SUI is going, because right now SUI's never been this high. SUI is in price discovery mode, guys. We don't know how high SUI could go, but we can use some math and we can use some Fibonacci extension tools to kind of figure out, how high SUI could go. Right now, just currently looking at the chart on the RSI, we have the weekly chart here at 72. So SUI is considered overbought right now, but this thing can stay overbought because this is a brand spanking new altcoin that has a lot of potential in the future here. And it's only $3, only a $3 cryptocurrency. So a lot of people are going to get excited to buy SUI because it doesn't seem that expensive to even buy it. It's only $3. Okay. But if I do the Fibonacci extension on this cryptocurrency, okay. If I measure from basically the top that it made here, and then I take it all the way down to the corrective measured move here, where it got down to like 59 cents in August. It spits out that rainbow color looking chart here, okay? And we have like the 1.382 level saying that, SUI should be $2.86, which it already did, okay? But then the next level is a 1.618 level, which is $3.25 for SUI, okay? But then the 2.0 extension level is at a $3.88 SUI. And then even further than that is the 4.236 level, where we could see a $7.56, $7 SUI or $8 SUI sometime in the future here, guys. Okay. That's what the Fibonacci extension is saying. Okay. But if I move on to coinmarketcap.com, we can just do some numbers here where we can basically we can do some speculation here. Okay. Solana is supposed to be the top dog and SUI is the underdog, and Solana has a $99 billion market cap. Keep that number in mind. So Solana, $99 billion. Okay. But SUI, right, only has $8.6 billion. Okay. So if I take out that calculator one more time, okay, and I try to calculate how much money could go into SUI, all right, if we say that $99 billion can go into SUI, and SUI only has $8.6 billion in it right now, okay, that means SUI could pretty much 11.5x or 12x from where it is right now. And if we just multiply that by the price that it's at right now, $3 and oh shit, I did that. I didn't mean to do 30. Okay, but if we just multiply that by 3.03, we could see a 34, maybe a $35 SUI here. Okay, that's nuts. Okay, that is pretty nuts. But it's a possibility, okay, for SUI, okay? That's the long-term end of the cycle. If you see a $30 SUI, you should probably get out, cash in your profits and get out, because that is my price target for SUI. And you guys can hold that to me. Say Damien said that SUI is going to $30. by the end of 2025. At some point in 2025, we're going to see a $30 SUI. I think it's possible. You guys can hold me to that. Guys, if you're enjoying this information, go ahead and click that like button. And if you know some other people out here that could benefit from this information that I'm providing here, go ahead and share this video with your friends and family. And if you're new to the channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button so you can see more live streams like this in the future. Okay. But yeah, I'm gonna turn this back over to me. Hey guys, how's my TikTok live streamers doing? We are happy here in crypto world. We're making money, lots of money in crypto world. Hopefully you guys are involved in cryptocurrencies yourself. Hopefully you guys are able to take advantage of these sick gains in crypto world. Okay. Yeah. Let me know if you guys have another cryptocurrency you want me to talk about. We're going to try to move on to some other cryptocurrencies here. Let's talk about Aptos, which is similar to SUI. Okay. Aptos is currently trading at $10.87. And that one's a $5.6 billion cryptocurrency. Okay. And if the same kind of money in Solana, right? $99 billion. If $99 billion ends up going into Aptos, okay, you take that $99 billion, you divide that by $5.6 billion, which is in Aptos currently right now, you're going to get a 17x on Aptos cryptocurrency, okay? And, you know, with a 17x, you multiply that by what Aptos is at right now. Jeez. You're going to end up getting $176 Aptos. $176 Aptos cryptocurrency in the possible long-term future here for Aptos. Aptos is also a SUI killer. It's very similar. The technology in Aptos is similar to SUI. And they're both trying to take market share and take away from Solana. Another possible Solana killer is AVAX, Avalanche. Okay, and I'll turn this back over to here so you guys can see what I'm looking at. You can see Avalanche AVAX is currently trading at $31.83, and AVAX has a $12 billion market cap. We'll just call it $13 billion. And if the same kind of money that's in Solana at $99 billion, if that goes into AVAX Avalanche, then what can we get for a gainer here? 99 divided by we'll just call it 13. Okay. You can see like a 7.6x on AVAX, and that would get us a price of 31.73. You can see a $240 Avalanche sometime here in the future, possibly next year. Pretty sick, pretty awesome. I think I want to start talking about Shiba Inu here, guys. Okay. Shiba Inu had a pretty good day. It's up 25% for the day, and it's up 50% for the week. And let's take a look at Shiba Inu on TradingView here. Okay. Shiba Inu. Currently trading at 25.64. Having a very good week here, up 52% on the weekly candle. How high could Shiba Inu possibly go in the near future here? We'll do a Fibonacci extension tool here, where we'll take it from the $900 level. I'm sorry, not $900, but you know what I mean, 900 point level to the level that it got here in March of 2024. That gives us the top. And then we take it down to the corrective move here down in like August where we got as low as 1290. Yeah. And that spits out these numbers. And we could see in the short term here, we could see SHBU possibly get up to the 0.618 level of 33.56. And then the 0.786 level of 39.68. So basically a 4,000 SHBU. But then look at these extension levels here, okay? We're looking at like a 1.618 level where we could see SHBU get up to like 7,000, okay? And then the 2.0 level says that SHBU could get up to like 8,300, okay? And then even crazier, sicker gains for SHBU is you could see SHBU get up to like the 16,528 level, which is the 4.236 Fibonacci level. And yeah, I mean, if SHBU is able to we'll just look at a more reasonable number here. If SHBU can just get up to the 2.0 extension level at 8,300, I mean, what we are looking at, if I pull up my handy dandy calculator here, 8,388 divided by its current price here of 25.71. You know, you could basically triple your money in SHBU in the near future here. Okay. But if SHBU then decides to go even higher than that, and we get to like 16,528 level, okay, what is the math saying for that? We could see Shiba Inu go up 6x from where it is right now. Okay, so you could probably 6x your money with Shiba Inu sometime in the future here, which is pretty decent. That is a pretty decent level to be at for Shiba Inu. That'll be a good way to make money. But Shiba Inu is one of the cryptocurrencies that's been around for a while, just like Dogecoin as far as the meme coins go. I think some other sicker cryptocurrencies, some cryptocurrencies that can make even more money than Shiba Inu would be like Dog with Hat or Pepe Coin, okay, Bonk. Those are some of the newer meme coins that are out there that could possibly make even more money than Shiba Inu can make you, because Shiba Inu is in like the top like 15, 20 cryptocurrencies out there. If I go back and I show where Shiba Inu is at, Shiba Inu is like a top 10 cryptocurrency. It has $15 billion. So in order for Shiba Inu to go up to higher prices, it already has a lot of money. It needs a lot more money to go into it. You know, if it was to catch up to like where Solana's at, you know, that would be basically a 6x, which we already said that is possible in the charts. Okay. And if Shiba Inu can get up to $150 billion market cap, then yeah, that would 10x your money. You would see like maybe a 25,600 point Shiba Inu. Okay. So that's a possibility. Anything is possible in cryptocurrency world. But be mindful about cryptocurrencies, because you guys can also lose money in cryptocurrencies, especially with the meme coins. If you decide to go the meme coin route, just be prepared that these meme coins, they could drop down 50% or even 90% from where you bought it at. And if you can't stomach that, then you shouldn't be involved in meme coins. Okay. That's basically like half of your money or all your money. You could lose half of your money or all your money in meme coins, but then you can also 10x or 100x your money with meme coins. Okay. Let me go back to my TikTok live streamers here. Does anybody here have any questions? Any cryptocurrencies they want to talk about here on the live stream? Let me know. Okay. Let me know if you guys have any particular cryptocurrency you want to talk about. I'll just wait here for your requests. I'll let you guys enjoy the music here for a second here as I wait for some requests to start coming in. All right. Nope, I can't do that. All right. So I'm looking at some people here in the live stream for my YouTube, and Darren said hi, and Mr. McCoy saying he bought 6 Solana 3 days ago. Good move. Can Solana hit 1,000? Yes, I believe Solana can hit 1,000. That's going to be sometime later on in 2025 here. Okay, for Mr. McCoy. Let's see if what my live streamers here on TikTok are saying. Guys, if you have a particular cryptocurrency that you like or want me to talk about, send in those requests. How long have we been? We've been live streaming for about 40 minutes here. Okay. Let's see what some of the big gainers here did on Coin Market Cap here. Looking at Coin Market Cap, we can see who had one of the best weeks here. Nero had up 98% for the week. That's a good. You'll basically double your money with Nero. NEIRO ticker symbol. Dogecoin up 79% for the week. Cardano, congratulations, Cardano investors. I know it's been a long time. It seems like it almost wasn't going to happen, but you guys are up 73% this week. Kronos up 70.86% this week. Radium up 65%. That's a Solana decentralized exchange. Godus up 63%. And we'll just take a look at Godus because I looked at it earlier and I tried to figure out what the hell this coin was. And I think it's a meme coin, but we'll just take a look at it real quick here. Yeah, so Godus is a meme coin. And that one just became a thing back in like October, about a month ago. October 14th is when we got our first trade for Godus here, and that one is up 797% this year. Jesus Christ! I got some messages here. All right, let's see. Thanks, guys, for coming up on the live stream here, live chat. We're talking about cryptocurrencies, and we're taking a look at the charts here on TradingView. If you guys join my YouTube live stream, you'll be able to see this better. I got to keep flipping the camera for you guys to be able to see this on TikTok. But yeah, if you look over here real quick, you can see what we're looking at here. Godus on CoinMarketCap. Pretty good week. Up 795% for the year. And Godus is up 64% this week. And it's up 790% this month because it became a cryptocurrency about a month ago, actually. So it hasn't been around that long. And if you wanted to buy Godus, you just click here on the markets. And you could buy Godus on Radium, which is a Solana decentralized exchange. It's basically all Solana, okay? All Solana decentralized exchanges or DEXs, they all have GOAT as a cryptocurrency that you can buy on those exchanges. You have Orca, HTX, BitGet. You can buy it on KuCoin and Gate.io and Mexi. Those are some of the GOAT on crypto.com. Those would be the centralized exchanges you can buy. You can buy a little bit of GOAT into a GOAT. Yeah. Let's get back into some of the cryptocurrencies that I think will do well in this world here. If we click on the AI cryptocurrencies here on CoinMarketCap, some cryptocurrencies that might do very well with artificial intelligence is like Near Protocol, ICP, Internet Computer, Bit Sensor, TAO, TAO. They call themselves FET, okay? Render, is another good artificial intelligence cryptocurrency out there. Injective, INJ, the Graph, GRT, Theta Network, Ashkosh, Akash Network, AIOZ Network, Oasis. I mean, the list goes on. But I love using coinmarketcap.com to help me find out what the next best cryptocurrency might be, and kind of, they even organize it based on like AI cryptos. Then they have gaming cryptos. Then they have real world asset cryptos, RWAs. Some gaming cryptocurrencies. If I click on that, you got IMX, Immutable, Floki, Beam, Gala, Multiverse, Axie, Infinity, ApeCoin, Notcoin, the Sandbox, Decentraland. These are all gaming coins that will probably do very well as video gamers start to get more involved in cryptocurrency world. And then you got the real world assets, the RWAs, those cryptocurrencies that are affiliated with real world assets that again put on the blockchain. You got AVAX, you got Chainlink, VChain, Maker, Mantra, Ondo, Quant. I mean, the list just goes on. IOTA. And you can go on, on these websites, you can click on some of these cryptocurrencies like PROPY. PROPY actually had a really good week. It was up 86% this week. It's currently trading at $1.67. And PROPY, if I just click on that, you can see the chart. You got the price here. You can learn a little bit about PROPY by actually clicking on the About section here. And it tells you, what is PROPY. You click on what is PROPY. It tells you that it's a real estate transaction cryptocurrency on the blockchain. And they're trying to innovate how transactions are done with real estate with PROPY. And then if you want to know where you can buy PROPY, you click on markets here. And it tells you the exchanges you can get PROPY on. For you new people using centralized exchanges, okay, you can get PROPY on Coinbase Exchange. You can get on HTX, Gate.io, Mexi, XT.com, CoinStore. I mean, the list goes on. There's a few of them here. And on the decentralized exchanges, you can get PROPY on Uniswap, Aerodrome Finance, OpenOcean. Okay. So that's how I do my research on these cryptocurrencies. I look at coinmarketcap.com here. Okay. Oh, Georgie. Hey, Georgie. Good to see that you made it onto the live stream here. Okay. Let's get back into coinmarketcap.com here. Let's take a look at PROPY because it actually did have a really good week. I did a TikTok and a YouTube short on PROPY, but we'll do some more analysis here. Where is this? PROPY. PROP. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so PROPY having a good week here, up 88% for the week. It was trading as low as 84 cents earlier this week. And PROPY has been as high as like $3.83 in April of 2024. Where could PROPY go next if it continues on in this bull run here? I see some resistance here at like the $2.20 area. I'm expecting PROPY to bump its head up in this area and not want to go a little bit higher than that until it gets a little bit more buying pressure. But then after that, we might see a $2.90 PROPY because I see some candle opening and closings on the weekly chart here. But yeah, I mean, PROPY could get back up to its all-time high of like $3.98. You can still maybe double or triple your money here with PROPY. If I just do the measure move from where we are right now, I take the info line here, and we just measure up to like basically a $4 PROPY. You could see PROPY go up 139%. You could basically double, a little bit more than double your money with PROPY here. Okay. So for my real estate investors out there that want to get into the latest and greatest thing and also be involved in cryptocurrency world here, you might want to look at PROPY or PROPY, however you say it, PROPY. That might be your cryptocurrency that you might want to get yourself into here. Let me at least take a look at see if anybody else in the live chat here on YouTube. Nope. Okay. All right. Let me take a look at, say hello to my TikTok live streamers here. You guys can see me. All right. Let's see. What did I miss? Did I miss anything? Anybody have any more requests here? ASTI. Okay. ASTI. You want me to take a look at that cryptocurrency? All right, let's see if I can even find it on Coin Market. That cryptocurrency is basically new to me, but we'll take a look at ASTI. I don't see that here. No. Was that a cryptocurrency you wanted me to look at? ASTI? I don't really see that showing up on Coin Market. I see AST. I see AirSwap. I see Astron. I don't really see ASTI. Is that like a stock maybe? We'll try looking at that on maybe it might be on the stock market if that's what you're talking about. I need more information. Oh, ASTI. Okay, that's a stock. Okay, on the stock market. Okay. Yeah, we'll look at Oh my God, ASTI. Oh my, this thing looks like it's about to go bankrupt. What the hell is up with this? Wow, Jesus Christ. This looks very bad. Very, very bad. I'm going to show you here on the, this is what I'm looking at right now for ASTI. Okay. Currently trading at $2.77. This thing, wow. I mean, it was at like what, 4 million? Is that even what? That does not make any sense. This company must be bankrupt or have gone through a few bankruptcies. That is a very weird, crazy crazy stock that you requested. We're talking about stock here, guys, because I got that request on my TikTok live stream here. And this guy requested Ascent Solar Technologies. And this company looks like it's about to go bankrupt. But it could possibly go up higher in price, maybe, if it gets its act together. But wow, I mean, that I really wouldn't touch it. I wouldn't really put that much money into it. I really have to see like ASTI, like what the hell? What is that? ASTI. What is ASTI? I mean, what is that? Ascent Solar? Okay, let me go back here. Ascent Solar. Ascent Solar stock. $2.77. So looking at Ascent Solar, I got that request here. It's on the NASDAQ, $2.77. And this thing has just been dropping like a rock. It's down like 96%. Oh my God, this company's like about to go bankrupt. Let me see what it says here on CNBC, the business news website. It says that Ascent Solar Technology is a solar technology company that manufactures and sells solar modules. Is about to go bankrupt. It has a market cap of only 3 million. Like, me and my buddies together and have more money than that for market cap. That's horrendous. This company bankrupt. Jesus. Hey. I'm trying to see if I can find any news here. There is no news, man. I don't even want to talk about this cryptocurrency, man, anymore. I'm sorry, I don't want to talk about this stock because this thing seems worse than 95% of the cryptocurrencies that are out there, to be honest. I would not touch ASTI with a 10-foot pole, to be honest. That company's about to go bankrupt if it hasn't already. Guys, if you want to have me talk about your favorite cryptocurrency, go ahead and put a request in there. Hey, MMA Esquire, I see you on the TikTok live stream. Hey, MMA Esquire, do you have a particular I'm going to talk about? We talked about Ethereum, but I mean, we talked about Ethereum again, or if there's another cryptocurrency you want to know more about, put in a request right now. I'm taking the requests. Mr. McCoy is wondering, do I go all in on Solana? I wouldn't really recommend going all in on any cryptocurrency, to be honest. You need to spread your bets because I can tell you in the case for Solana here, Solana has had network outages. Okay. And you know, with the network outage, if we get another network outage on Solana, then we could possibly see Solana drop down like 50%. And if it drops down 50% on you, you're going to go nuts if you go all in on Solana and you lose half your money. Okay. And I'll show you real quick here that, you know, Solana has had network outages. Okay. As I try to search this up here. And I'll show you here real quick. So we have had Solana go down in price because of network outages. We haven't had a network outage in a while here, but it has caused prices to go down on Solana. So you don't want to go all in on Solana. You want to spread your bets out. Okay. Let me just look at the Solana outage history. But yeah, they're saying here that it's been about 262 days since Solana had a major network outage. Looks like the last major issue occurred on February 6th, and it only lasted 5 hours. But I mean, that did cause the price of Solana to go down. So you need to watch out. You don't want to put all your money on one cryptocurrency. To answer your question there, George is asking about SUI. We did talk about SUI earlier, Georgie. We'll look at the SUI on the chart one more time because you made that request. So let's look at the SUI on TradingView here. And yeah. So I did some previous chart work. SUI is currently trading at $3.03 here. And yeah. SUI, where could SUI go? SUI, right? We did a Fibonacci extension level here, Georgie. Okay. And I measured from the bottom where SUI was at back in October 2023, and we measured to the top here at like March of 2024, and then we took the corrective measured move down to August of 2024 when SUI got down to like 46 cents, and it spits out these numbers here, Georgie, and we could see SUI in the near term get up to like $3.25. Then we have like a $3.88 price target on SUI. But then you probably want to see more than that. We're looking at SUI getting up to like $7.56 with the 4.236 level, saying that we can get to like a $7, $8 SUI. SUI is currently overbought here on the weekly chart. We have SUI at a 72 RSI. But just going back, looking at SUI again, Georgie, if I go back to coinmarketcap.com, we can do the math. Like my price target on SUI is $30 SUI, okay? And I get that because if I take the numbers here, you know, I take the amount of money that's in Solana right now at like $99 billion, okay? And I take that money and I put it into a SUI, okay? SUI has about $8.6 billion. So you just do the math here. You do 99 divided by 8.6 gives you 11.5 gainer. And if you multiply that by SUI at $3.03, then we're looking at like a $34, $35 SUI. Pretty insane. You can still get a 10x, 11x on SUI. Hope that answers your question there, George S. All right. Guys, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to end this TikTok live stream here because I need to do some things on my phone here. And then we're probably going to end this YouTube live stream here. We've been going on for about roughly an hour here. Yeah. But yeah, if you guys enjoy this live stream, go ahead and click that like button. And if you're new, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to do live streams here at 5 p.m. I'll probably do another live stream tomorrow, see how the markets are at 5 p.m. On Monday night. MMA Squire says, any good memes you want to show us? MMA Squire, are you talking about meme coins or are you talking about me making a meme, like making a meme or making a meme video? Can you elaborate on that, MMA Squire? Crypto funny memes. Oh yeah, I mean, you might want to look at Turbo. Turbo's very interesting as a crypto. That Turbo is a cryptocurrency that came out and was designed by artificial intelligence. Pretty scary. Turbo coin. Yeah, let's just look at that real quick here on CoinMarketCap. Since MMA and Squire requested it. Turbo currently trading at 0.009. Okay. And it's up 6,000%. 6,000% this year. That's a lot of money. Turbo became a thing back in like November and December of last year. Okay. And if I click on the About section on Turbo, you can see this was the first ever meme coin created by AI. Hey, Jamie. Nice to see you here. I'm glad you came out to your live stream. Appreciate you coming in. Hey, Mimi. Good to see you come on to live stream here. I was getting close to ending the live stream, but I got a question here about meme coins from MMA and Squire. Some other funny meme coins is like Pepe coin and Dog with Hat, Bonk. You can get into those meme coins and add that to your crypto portfolio if you just want to, get some meme coins for like shits and giggles and laughs here. Hey, Lisa. Glad you made it onto the live stream here. We're talking about cryptocurrencies here. And yeah, I'm just showing people here on the computer real quick here. Cryptocurrencies. We're looking at Turbo. And we're looking at SUI. If I go back to a Turbo, that's a popular meme coin you guys might start hearing about. You can buy Turbo on Binance. You can buy it on Kraken, OKX. Those are some cryptocurrency exchanges you can buy Turbo at. Mexi. Another funny meme coin that's out there is Pepe. You guys might have heard of Pepe. Pepe currently trading at less than a penny, about 0.0001212 on the market here. And Pepe is just this funny, frog-looking coin. If I click on the About section, it scrolls you down here. It says it's a meme coin that was launched on the Ethereum network, and it's trying to compete against Shiba Inu and Dogecoin. Those are some other popular meme coins that are out there. I think a lot of people love Shiba Inu because it's a very cute dog, and Dogecoin is another dog coin that's out there. Dogecoin did pretty well in meme coin world. Dogecoin is at 27 cents here. Dogecoin is kicking butt and taking names right now. Dogecoin is currently up 266% this year. But it has been as high as like 53 cents in 2021. I think it even got higher than that. I think it got as high as like 80 cents. So Dogecoin is probably looking to go back up to 80 cents. It'll probably go up to like $1 at some point here in 2025. So we got some pretty exciting times going on here in meme coin world. Okay. Yep. We got some pretty exciting times coming up in cryptocurrency world. I think in the next 6 months, you guys are going to be able to make a lot of money in cryptocurrencies. Then after that, I think like April or May of next year in 2025 should be a time to start getting out of cryptocurrencies, because it's going to get a little bit harder to make money, because then by that point, everybody's going to know about cryptocurrencies. Everybody's going to be involved. And then you got some crypto OGs like me who've been owning Solana and Bitcoin for a while now. And we're going to want to take some profits to pay our taxes in April. And I can tell you, like, during the summertime, it's not really a good time to be in crypto. We had a bad summer this past year, as some of you might know. And then even in like 2021, cryptocurrencies had a bad summer. And that was like one of the best years for crypto was 2021. So I'd be trying to get out of crypto around that time if I was you guys. And you can always go back in. You can sell in April and then buy back again in July of August. And then who knows, maybe we go back up again next year in like November or December of 2025, and you just make more money. You can be in and out if you need to in cryptocurrency world. But I think the next 6 months are going to be pretty nuts in cryptocurrency world. So that's why I think you guys should start taking these cryptocurrencies serious. You guys can make some serious money in crypto world. But be careful out there. I'm not a financial advisor. I don't try to pretend to be a financial advisor. Please talk to whoever handles your money. Talk to a professional about managing your finances and find out if cryptocurrencies is good to add to your investments, because for some people it might not be suitable, and some people don't understand how crazy cryptocurrencies can be, and a personal financial understand it better. And I'm not a personal I'm not certified to do that. I just like talking about cryptocurrencies because I have cryptocurrencies, and I think they're very exciting ways to make money here. You're basically becoming a venture capitalist, okay, or an accredited investor, and you can't really do that in in stock market world. In cryptocurrency world, you can be basically a venture capitalist. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end the live stream here, guys. I appreciate you guys coming out here. There'll be another live stream tomorrow at 5 p.m. Same time, 5 p.m. And I always come on the live stream here on Sunday nights at 5 p.m. to see how things are looking in the cryptocurrency world. On Fridays, I like to talk about the stock market. So if you're in the stock market world, come find me 5 p.m. on Friday. But it's okay to ask me about stocks when we're doing a cryptocurrency video too. I just mainly talk about cryptocurrencies for the most part, unless someone actually requests a stock for me to look at. Okay. But yeah, I look forward to doing more live streams here with you guys, and I appreciate you guys coming out onto the channel. And once again, before you leave, hit that like button so we can get this channel some more viewers here, and more people can find out about cryptocurrencies. And if more people find out about cryptocurrencies, then that means the cryptocurrencies that you own will probably go up in price. So basically, when you hit the like button on this video, you're actually helping yourself out. You're helping your cryptocurrencies go up to higher prices. Okay. So keep that in mind. Okay. You're actually helping yourself out when you click that like button. And you're also helping me out to get more people exposed to cryptocurrencies and also exposed to, like, this channel. And I'm just trying to find more business-minded investors out there. Okay. So yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow on the next live stream at 5 p.m. Take care, guys.